Hello, my dear friends. My name is Ram Avtar Singh, and you most welcome my YouTube channel Ram's Classes. Friends, I'm fairly sure that you all are fine and you all are just staying at your homes and you all are just following the guidelines of our government. So, friends, as you all know that in every video I carry some topics. So, in this topic means in this video also I have carried one topic. The topic isn't about the topic is really nice, so please friends watch this video till the end and you will come to know that yes, this is the really this society's topic. Yes friends, so actually in this day means earlier means last night I was just thinking something, and I just thought that I should make one video about this topic. So I'm just sharing my views on this. So friends, the today's topic is on about girls life. Yes friends, girls life means we are going to talk on this topic. So please friends, just listen my thoughts and listen my views carefully, and we will come to know and we should give the respect to the girls and the women also. So we should always, I'm not saying that sometimes, always, we should not be the rude with the girls. So friends, let's start this topic. I want to share some real opinions with you all that before means after burning after burning in any family by a girl. So from that time means after getting birth, she is surviving her life on at the side of his her father. Yes friends, and after getting married she is surviving her life after means behind his husband. So what is her life and where is her life in that? She's not doing anything for herself, and she's not the, you know, she's not that much capable that we should think that no, she's not like that. Every single right boys and males have, but where is the right of the girls? Where is the right of the ladies? Yes friends, so this thing we need to just understand that when we are in the in that condition that we should help that lady, so we should never just feel hesitation, we should always help to that girl. Friends, in today's society every single one means including some other people, I don't know, some everybody is hating the girls, but most of the people I have seen, they always just uh, want a male baby. Yes friends, so they don't want to get female baby. But we need to just change this mindset that single or dual, it doesn't mean how many child we have the, but we should always just think that we are not going to the this thing, I want male or I want female, doesn't mean boys and girls all are equal, should be for everyone, so that we can and they can do their level best in that. Friends, girls also girls also are just facing many challenges in today's society, because uh, this society is not just uh, worth doing for them also. So friends, this is about in this video, and this was all about whichever I wanted to share with you also. When we have any chance for helping any girl or any lady, it doesn't mean that she wants or not, but if she wants any kind of help, so if we are capable for doing the help of that lady, so we should always help, we should never deny, and we should never hurt that lady or hurt that girl, so that she would be feeling hurtless. Yes friends, so this was my thought in that. And when, and again I'm telling you that if we have the chance and if we are capable for doing the help of any girl, there is any critical condition in that, we should always go through that. This is the second thing, that if she wants help or not, but we should go from our side. If we are just doing this thing, that means other people, they cannot take the due advantage of this thing, they will also learn something from us, because society learns from the society. This is the thing in that. So friends, I hope what I mean to say in this video. So friends, please just consider that as much as possible, just do the help the girls and ladies, and old ladies also, as much as possible. And old means those are unable to get help from anybody. If we are capable in that, we should always go through that. So friends, this was today's topic in that. So I hope you have gotten something in this video. Please friends, I will share only those that sentence, कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. So friends, we will meet again with the next topic. Till then, take care, and I'm not saying bye bye right now. Wait, we will staying at your home, and we will not go outside, and we will follow all the protocols of our government. So friends, now I'm saying to you, please friends, कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा. So friends, we will meet again with the next topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.